Morning, you're here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today on a pretty interesting job. It's a flat roof tying into two slope roofs coming down into it. So unfortunately for the homeowner, the last contractor installed shingles on their flat roof. And obviously that's an issue with the low slope and putting shingles on. Water can get in a wind situation or freezing when water gets back in. So we're here to fix the problem. We also have the issue of tying in the flat roof to the shingles on this side. So we're going to remove 3 courses of shingles minimum, bring our base sheet, our cap sheet, and put new shingles down. We have the valley and a little lip here, about 2 inches here, so we're going to have to do some work here. So hope you like it. This is a pretty typical situation that we get called for where shingles have been installed on a flat roof system. So we're here to fix it. We'll show you how it's done. Thanks. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what we're doing. We're removing the shingles, and basically I got to remove the nails out of the 4th one to get the 3rd one out. So we're removing the bottom 3 courses to be able to get our base sheet up and underneath and then re-shingle this. So I'll show you right here what we've done. So here, it was shingled down with the drip flashing. We removed the shingles, we removed the drip flashing. We're down to the ice and water shield here. So just show you what it looks like and go from there. Okay, welcome back. We're just putting, I'm just screwing down a new soaper board. It's a new substrate for the roof, so the new flat roofing system adheres well to it. It's just 8 inches thick. We screwed that down to the old deck and away we go. So I'll show you here, we removed the shingles, so now we can tie our new flat roof system up and over, shingle that, so that should shed water nicely now. This was a little trickier. You can't see it from where you're standing, but we had to remove the east trough because it didn't give us enough area to put the new drip flashing, really seal this off nice. So we had to remove the east trough for a bit. We're going to fasten it back on when we're done. And here is a little bit of a tricky corner. We only have about 2 to 3 inches here where the 2 elevations meet. We'll move this, just unfasten it a bit, move it back. We're gonna have to bring a new membrane up, tuck it under here, new flashing and new everything. So this is gonna be a bit more detailed work. So we'll go from there. Okay, we'll bring you back when we got the base sheet down and show you how we properly shed water away. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. It's taken a little longer than expected, but now we have the details basically done perfect. So go ahead, take a look. We have the base sheet now down. We have the base sheet going high enough now where when we put the new shingles, it sheds water properly. We have the new drip flashing installed. Last time we had to take the east trough off because it didn't give us enough space to put the base sheet behind it. So we had to take the east trough off. We put the base sheet behind it, so now when there's an ice damming in this area, it won't melt back up into the house. So put the east trough back on. We also fixed up this corner here. This area was major concern for the homeowner. They had a lot of water coming in because of this area. So closed it up, tied it properly. You can see we brought the base sheet up and over. This is all waterproofed in nicely. So we moved this east trough to waterproof this elevation here behind it. Had to bring it under the shingles. So it's all done nice. Now we're going to put on some cap sheet and clean it up and the job will look perfect. So I'll show you what it looks like later. Thanks. Okay, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We finished the job, turned out wonderful. I'm sure the client's going to be thrilled. It really turned out nice. A lot of the issues that they had before we got here, we were able to find out where they are, detect them, and solve them. So I think this job is really something good. So go ahead, take a look. So basically we'll start with the first detail being we have shingles coming in a flat roof. So you saw how we took the shingles off. You can tell a bit of the discoloration between the old and new shingles. Then we had the new base and cap running up. So if you weren't to do that, what happens in the middle of winter, you have a large snow and ice pile here, and ice and water just shoves right back in there and creates damage inside the house. Second, we have the valley. We're able to lift up the existing valley. We saved the client some money by just using their old valley. And we brought, if you can imagine line, we brought the new base and cap to here. So they're well protected. Third, most important, this was the area they had most of their issues. A lot of it was here. So. In the middle of winter, they had a large snow pile here. Water was just building up, or snow and ice was building up and getting down. So we now have this basin cap running all the way up here. We removed the eaves trough on both sides. We're well protected and waterproofed in. So I think it turned out great. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, give us a call. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com or email us at info@legacyroofs. Thank you very much.